Guys, just like I've been telling you, the trend trading strategy is one of the best strategy which you can apply to trade any of the forex assets. Okay, and we'll be checking out these analysis together and see how it works and how you too can also use it to do your analysis on your own and get your signals right from there. So if you have been on my Telegram channel and you've been seeing the signals that I'm posting right here, this is how I've been coming up with it. And of course, if you are wondering how I'm able to get the direction of the trend or probably the signals I'm posting there, this is what you need to do in order for you to get it right. Okay, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end. This will help you to improve in your trading activities. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So, like I have been saying in most of my videos, the trend strategy is very important, and you also need to be able to identify your resistance zone and the support zone. These areas will give you an assurance of what is about to happen in the market. For instance, let's start with the resistance zone. Right here is the resistance zone. At the top right here is the resistance zone. Okay. So when the market or when a trade gets to the resistance zone like this, there are two things you should look out for: either a change in direction of the trend or a breakout above the resistance zone. Okay, let's start with the breakout. If there is a breakout above the resistance zone, what does it mean? It means that it is going to buy more at that particular point. That is, it will give room for you to buy more. Okay. But if there is no breakout, what will happen? There should be a change in direction of the trend. And that was what happened around here. Okay. We got a change in direction of the trend, got a downtrend signal at this point, and a sell signal at this point, guys. So it gave us an opportunity to sell for long. Okay. So till it got to this region, had a major pullback at this point, and still gave us more sell signals right from here. So which means you can still place more sell order around here to sell more. And of course, at this point, it is already getting to, it has gotten to a support zone. Okay. Now let's use that as an opportunity to explain the support zone. Okay. Remember, we've explained the resistance zone at the top right here. So for the support zone, guys, it is also the same thing. Okay. There are two things that can actually happen there. It is either there is a breakout below the support zone, or probably there is a change in direction of the trend. Okay, now let's pick it one after the other. If there is a breakout below the support zone, what will happen? It means that it will continue to sell. You can see it was selling before, so it will definitely continue to sell at that particular point. Okay, in order for you to make more profits while selling. Okay, but if there is no breakout at this major support zone, then what will happen? There will be a change in direction of the trend. It was on downtrend before. That is why you are seeing this red flag around there. So immediately it's changed the direction. It changed the color to yellow, just the way you're seeing it right now. Okay. And of course, this also means that if the market is on uptrend, then the buy signal should be the best option at this point. Okay. So that is why we got the buy signal at this point, which happened to be here. And we've added another one at this point. So which means right now the market is on uptrend. If we came in around there with a buy signal, then definitely we should set our stop loss at this support zone. And of course, so that in case the markets misbehave, then it will get to our stop loss and help us to reduce the amount we can lose in the market. Okay. And of course, this also gave us another buy signal at this point. So which means if you have been following, or if you are having this custom made indicator, you should be in a lot of profit right now. At least two orders should be going on for you, and you should be in huge profit right now. This is still buying. We expect it to get to this region first, even if there is going to be a major pullback. Okay, so this is very, very important. And if it breaks out above this, then you should be getting to this particular spot. Okay, so this is a unique opportunity for you guys. And for those of you who want to make more inquiry about this custom made indicator, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, if you want to join my Telegram channel, the link is there in the description below this video. You can go ahead and join it right away so that you can um also benefit from the opportunities we shared within the Telegram channel, most especially the signals that we usually post there on daily basis. Okay, and of course guys, if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family.